Good morning, Sure Home Improvements. Okay, we're in Centerburg, Ohio, and we're replacing this customer's siding that was damaged by hail, and we're replacing it with house wrap and also some foam wrap. It's a beautiful home. We've done part of the house. Part of the house is we're still working on. Here's a section that we did yesterday, and it has the new trim, the new siding, and it looks beautiful. We're working more on the back side also. Putting on the tie back, house wrap, and foam insulation. Well, here's the side that's completed. As you can see, new metal and new siding all the way down. Beautiful house. Here's some more work in the rear. Everything's set up, but just change the siding out. Still working on some metal over here, and everything looks awesome. It's a beautiful home. Good morning, Sure Home Improvements.